visiting Pakistan, one must definitely visit the Heritage Trail based here in Peshawar. I literally feel like I'm walking down history when I walk down this trail. With the help of the Archaeological Department, this trail was renovated and inaugurated 2 years ago and has become a major tourist attraction. Trail starts from the historical tower and runs through the old bazaar, displaying some of the most beautiful little houses dated back from 136 years ago. This trail almost lost its heritage, but with special projects started, they have managed to preserve its natural beauty. This gate marks the end of the Heritage Trail, but this gate also has a lot of historical meaning. It's one of the 16 gates that walled Peshawar city centuries ago. I've now made my way to the most popular museum in South Asia, Peshawar Museum. Founded in 1907, this museum boasts a combination of Buddhist, British, Islamic and Hindu elements. Let's go inside and have a look. Initially known as Victoria Hall, this museum gives you a great glimpse of the British lifestyle while they were in power of this region. Look at these shoes! This history-filled museum has so much on display to see, from things like utensils, weapons, to even jewellery from centuries ago. My favourite part of history. And now, on to my next destination. I'm in the oldest mansion in the city of Peshawar. This mansion is one of 7 built by the Cetin family back in the 19th century. The Cetin family was very well known for their considerable efforts in helping with the poor, like building wells, an Islamic college and an hospital. To give you some more insight into the history and architecture, I'm joined now by Mehmet Urdu. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
First of all, welcome to you in Cetin House. Cetin House built by Cetin Karim Baksh. This house was built in 1884 and the construction work was completed around about to 20 years. And Cetin Karim Baksh built 12 houses in this street for his 12 child. Mirror work, everything is unique which you see here. In this house you will see the wood carving. The light system is unique, they use sunlight. The glass work is unique, all the roof design is different to another one. When you enter in this house, you will see the different influence of Central Asia.
Right, that's fantastic. So I've come to an end on another journey in Peshawar. See you.